Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to format text in Google Sheets. So let's get to it. Here I have opened my spreadsheet and we're going to format the text on this table. So the first thing we have to do is selecting the column or the cell that we're going to format. And for example, I'm going to format this name column. So I'm just going to select it like this. And after that, we can click on this format button. Then since we want to format text, we can click on text. Then we can choose either we want to format it as bold text, italic text, or underline, or strike through. It's up to you. And for me, I'm gonna go with bold. Then I'm just going to select bold. And as you can see that the text is bold right now. And actually there is another way to format text in Google Sheets. So we just need to click on this format text icon right here, guys. For example, if you want to make your text italic, you can select the text or the cell like this. Then we can click on this icon. Then if you want to make it strike through, you just need to select it and then click on this icon. Alright. Okay guys, then that's how we can format text in Google Sheets. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.